All right, practice problem 3. So we have a table, shows the weight of apples in a basket. What is the initial value? So there's the question. And what does it represent? When we see represent, that means labels. They want to know, what do these words mean? Okay. So words need to be in our final answer. So initial value, step 1, slope. M equals, I'm going to use the first 2 points. So 68 minus 64 over 24 minus 22. Looks like 4 over 2, so the slope is 2 over 1. Now, since it's a word problem, I'm going to say, what does that 2 represent? 2 is my y value. Y value is weight, so this is pounds. 1 is my x value, so this is apples. Doesn't seem to make sense. 1 apple weighs 2 pounds, but hey, that's what the problem says. So I'm going to keep going. So now to find my b, I'm going to take this first point. So this is my first y, 64, minus my slope, which is 2, and my x there, which is 22. So 64 minus 22 times 2 is 44 to get b equals 20. Now, what does this 20 mean? Okay, so when we first learned what initial value was, one of the definitions was the initial value is the value of y when x is 0. That's our conjecture, actually. So b means this is the point. X is 0, y is 20. X is apples, and y is weight, or pounds. So an initial value of 20 pounds means the basket weighs 20 pounds when no apples are in it. So these are like apples for giants, right? These are huge apples, and this basket is really heavy for some reason. Maybe, the person didn't think about the numbers when they wrote the problem, but this is what it means, okay? Usually we want our answers to make sense, but I'm telling you, your math is right. So b equals 20 means the basket weighs 20 pounds with no apples in it. And so we box all of that because it has our answer, b equals 20, along with our explanation of what does it represent. I think we have one more word problem like this, and then it'll be time for the exit ticket.